All right. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Trucking Journey. Want to give a big thanks to all the other truck drivers out there that's keeping the wheels turning, keeping America going, because that's what we do. If you bought it, a truck brought it. I was prepared to spend a couple weeks out on the road. Well, it just worked out. When I got back to Greer, I had like, 40 minutes left on my 70-hour clock. So I'm doing a reset, getting ready to start back up. But I had a 3,600 mile week, 3,600 paid mile week. I don't remember the last week I had so good. One thing I didn't do last week is spend a lot of time videoing myself, making videos, editing, all that. I put my maximum effort into getting it done. However, I did get a little B-roll with the DJI Pocket 2 camera. If you would like to get one for yourself, there is a link in the description where you can get the creator kit along with some links such as this awesome belt right here. I don't know if you guys have seen these before, but there's no holes and you can adjust your belt with precision. I've got the crocodile belt. There are links in the description for belts, for microphones, all kind of good stuff. And if you do decide to purchase something, I'm paid a small commission on that. So thanks in advance. I think you guys will like this song. You're gonna think it's Florida Georgia Line, but it's not. It's Blackstone Cherry, the original artist for this song, laid out to some as scenic as I could get shots anyway, with the DJI Pocket 2 camera. But without any more delay, here's some Truckin B Roll from 2021.
I'd sell my soul just to see your face, and I'd break my bones just to heal your pain. And in these times I need a saving grace, 'cause time is running out and I'm starting to lose my faith. But if I told you I loved you, would it make you wanna stay? I'm sorry for the way I make you feel day after day. And if I wrote you a love song and sang it to you every day, would it ever be enough to make you wanna come back home to stay? Would it make you wanna stay? My heart's on my sleeve, but it's turning black. And without your touch, I'm not gonna last.